This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So the easiest and the most efficient way, in our opinion, to connect this device to VPN is to use the free third-party app that you can get from the Play Store. The app's name is Turbo VPN, so we recommend that you connect your device to Wi-Fi, launch the Play Store, and download this Turbo VPN app. Because it's free, it's efficient, it provides you with a very very reasonable amount of different service and countries that you can connect to, so that's why we usually use it. So to do some basic VPN stuff, this app should be plenty. After the Turbo VPN application was successfully installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the agree and continue button, allow or do not allow notifications according to your preferences. Then skip the set, and in order to finally connect your device to VPN, just tap at this caret icon over here. Then I recommend that you check the do not ask again box or circle and tap at the allow option, so it will not ask your permission each time you will try to connect to VPN. It will remember your preferences. And as you can see by this little VPN indicator at the status bar, we were successfully connected to VPN. Now, while at it, you can change the server that you are connected to. As I've already mentioned, there are quite a few options to choose from, even at the free unpaid version of the app. So tap over here, and me personally, let's say I will reconnect myself from the server in the United Kingdom to some German server. Okay. Here you have it. Now we are connected to some VPN server in Germany. Once you are ready to disconnect yourself from VPN, just tap at the cross sign or cross icon over here, go for the disconnect option, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.